Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, we are going to be showing you how you can auto-generate thumbnails. So if you have been having difficulties going to Canva to create your thumbnails, now we are going to show you how to easily generate it with no human effort. Now, first of all, you have to come into your n8n, then click your trigger to be scheduled trigger, right? Select your trigger to be scheduled trigger. You still look at it there, scheduled trigger, and when you open it, you come here. Your trigger interval is hours, based on maybe you want it to be generating every single hour, every 8 hours. That's how I set mine. But if you want it to be every day, then you can set your interval to 1 day, right? I set mine to be hours, and the hours, not 1 hour, you should run every 8 hours, right? That's how I set my trigger. Now after that, the next thing you have to do is Google Gemini. Now if you want to use ChatGPT, Cloud, you can, but they require payment, and Google Gemini is free of charge. You won't be charged for it, right? So that's why I use Google Gemini, and this is the model I use, Gemini 2.5 Flash, right? Now this prompt, you can just generate a prompt to give to it based on you want it to generate a title, a catchy title for a particular something. So you can go to ChatGPT Cloud to generate a strong prompt to give to it and paste it here. So when you execute this, it will generate exactly the text you need. Now after that, you have to use Google Gemini again, but this time around the operation is going to be generate an image, right? See one of the things it generated for me. See, right? So you create a prompt. You can generate the prompt from ChatGPT too if you don't want my type of prompt, and you paste it in the prompt, and when you execute this, it generates this thumbnail for you without you doing anything. And of course, you have to save it in your Google Drive for you to be able to do what? Access it. And this is it. You sign into your Google Drive. The operation is upload. You give it a file name. Look at how I gave mine. The drive. Then you select the actual drive folder where you want to save it, and just like that, you have generated a thumbnail every single day, a bulk thumbnail every single day with no human effort. No need of going to Canva. You are just good. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.